Dear students, today we will continue with other vouchers which are used in the inventory, and that is delivery note, and the shortcut key is Alt plus F8. And using this voucher we can record the stocks delivered to parties. When we are taking sales order from the customer, and when the order is fulfilled, that means we have the items to sell the order. Then we will make a delivery of items to the customer, and that we will do by using delivery note. And this delivery note voucher is related to sales. So that means the first we will do the sales order, then delivery note, then the sales voucher. Okay, sales order is the order from the customer, then the delivery note, we will send the items to the customer, and when the customer receives the item, we will put the sales bill in the accounting. Okay, then the rejection in, that is shortcut key is Ctrl plus F6. This voucher is used to record goods received back from a customer after rejection. So we have made sales and the customer rejects some items, and that again we will take it back in the physical godown, and that we will call it as a rejection in. To view the rejection in voucher, go to Gateway of Tally, Inventory Voucher, and press Ctrl plus F6 or select the button Rejection In from the button bar. In the same way, rejection out. This voucher is used to record goods returned back that were rejected by the company. Maybe we have purchased goods from creditor, and in that some items are not good, and we will give it back to the creditor, and that we can make by using rejection out. And we will return the items, and then we will put the purchase return. Okay, so when we will do the rejection in, and we will put the sales return, and when we will do the rejection out, we will do the purchase return. And to view the rejection out voucher, go to Gateway of Tally, Inventory Vouchers, and then press Alt plus F6 or select the button Rejection Out from the button bar. Next is Stock Journal, Alt plus F7. This is helpful in inventory to transfer the items from one godown to another godown. Maybe make the assumption you have godown A and godown B, and you want to transfer the items from godown A to godown B physically. Then we will use stock journal voucher. Okay, maybe for example in godown A you have maybe hundreds of pipes, and those pipes you want to shift it to the godown B. Then physically you are shifting it by using this stock journal. That means in the inventory we will take the items from godown A to godown B by using stock journal. And to view stock journal, go to Gateway of Tally, Inventory Voucher, and then press Alt plus F7 or stock journal button. Then the physical stock voucher, Alt plus F10. The physical stock voucher is used for recording the actual stock which is verified or counted. It could happen that the book stocks and the physical stock do not match. It is not unusual that the company finds a difference between actual stock and computer stock figure. And for that purpose, the physical stock voucher is used. Sometimes what happens? In the godown there may be less number of stocks, but in the books there may be more number of stocks, and that can be verified and re-entered by using this physical stock voucher. And even this one is in inventory voucher. Go to Gateway of Tally, inventory voucher, and select the button Alt F10 physical stock. From the button bar even you can press physical stock button. Just we will see the demo of all the vouchers. Okay, in the inventory vouchers, so here rejection in, rejection out, stock journal are available, but those are not active. You can activate it by using features, and in that use rejection inward outward notes. Yes. Okay, now these vouchers are available. You can click on Control F6, that is rejection in. Okay, here you can see rejection in. Maybe we have sold some items, maybe to party Savior, and you are taking those items back, maybe DVD. Okay. Okay, this is rejection in. So from the party, we took 10 number of quantities back to our godown. That is rejection in. Okay, and same way rejection out. Then we will take the party from which we have purchased the item. Again, we will send those 10 DVDs back to the person from whom we have purchased. That we will call it as a rejection out. Rejection in, rejection out. Next is stock journal. Yeah, first we will create the godown. To create the godown, we will move to inventory info. Okay, that godown option is not active. Go to features, and in the inventory features, activate multiple godown as yes. And when we take multiple godown yes in inventory info, it shows godown. Now we can create two godowns. One is A and another one is B. Okay, now we have two godowns, and when we are purchasing items, from the Lakshmi trade, maybe we are purchasing mouse. Godown A. That means we can take godown A, B, even the main location, that we will call it as a business location. You can take anyone. If you have only one location, main location you can take. That is common by default. And the godown A and godown B. We will take godown A, and in the godown A we will take the quantities 50, maybe for 200 rupees. Okay. Now we will see how to transfer the items. So in the inventory vouchers, we will take item, that is mouse, from the godown A, from the main location, transfer 5 items, okay, to godown B. Again I will take mouse, so godown B, quantity same 5 numbers. Okay, now here you can see, so we have transferred 5 items from godown main location to B. Now you can see display inventory books, stock transfer, there is one stock transfer, F8 sales, and when we take sales here, sales account, now you can see mouse, if you select, okay, it will show the mouse in the main location 5 and in the B 5. That means the 5 mouses are transferred from main location to B here. Okay, this is the method how we can transfer the items from one godown to another godown. Okay, and for that purpose we will use stock journal. Stock journal is to transfer the items from one godown to another godown, and from the in the source we will show from which place we are transferring and where we are transferring in the destination. Next is how we can alter or modify vouchers in Tally. So switch to gateway of Tally, then display daybook to display the daybook, and select the date or period by pressing F2 or Alt F2, and click the voucher and press enter to modify and make the changes. Okay, sometimes there may be question how we can alter or modify vouchers. Remember, step 1, switch to gateway of Tally. Step 2, display daybook to display the daybook. Step 3, select date or period by pressing F2 or Alt F2. Step 4, click the voucher and press enter to modify, make the changes and accept it at the end, maybe by pressing Ctrl A. And in the same way, to alter or delete a purchase order, go to gateway of Tally, display daybook, select purchase order to modify, or go to gateway of Tally, display inventory books, purchase order book, and select order to modify. And the same thing we will take for the sales order. There is no change. To alter a sales order, the same concept. Deleting a purchase order, same way, go to gateway of Tally, display inventory books, and in the second step select the purchase order book and then select the order to delete by pressing Alt plus D. Okay, Alt plus D is to delete the vouchers. Thank you, students. In the next class we will see other concepts. Thank you. God bless you.